Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by recovering the phone number tied to your Telegram account. That is the only reliable path. Call your carrier now, explain the loss, and request a replacement SIM or number port. Provide government ID, account PIN, and recent billing details so they can verify you quickly. Once they confirm the swap, wait for network activation. Make sure the same phone number is active on your device before continuing, because Telegram will send a one-time code to that number. Once your replacement SIM is active, open Telegram and request a login code. Telegram sends a one-time code to the phone number via SMS or to any existing active session, so check other devices too. If you enabled two-step verification, enter your password or use the registered recovery email to reset it. If the code is delayed, wait a few minutes and avoid repeated attempts that trigger rate limits. Call your carrier to confirm SMS delivery if it still doesn't arrive. After entering the code and any two-step password, immediately check settings right arrow privacy and security, right arrow active sessions, and sign out unknown devices. Then set two-step verification with a strong password and add a recovery email. This prevents future lockouts. Once done, inform close contacts about the restored number if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if your carrier cannot restore the original number, account recovery is effectively impossible. You should still contact Telegram support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.